If you want to maximize your crypto trading, then Tapbit is a trading platform you definitely need to check out. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock the potential of Tapbit, showing you kind of what the features and benefits of using this platform are. If you like the kind of content I do on this channel, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and always turn on the post notifications, and always check out the links in the description as well. Let's not waste any time. Let me tell you what Tapbit is all about. This platform has definitely carved a niche for itself, offering kind of a robust platform with also a diverse array of features that are tailored for traders to experience the very best of crypto trading. They have a commitment to continuous improvement and are very user-centric as well in terms of their service delivery. They represent and also just kind of present you as a trader with a compelling choice, whether you're a seasoned trader or you're a novice. So today, let's just dive right into why this is the perfect platform to trade on. They have a very extensive selection of assets, over 800 cryptocurrencies, a mix of tokens from anything BTC, Ethereum, and anything you can think of. They also support trading pairs across 45 fiat currencies, making it very easy for users to enter the crypto market with local currencies. Very user-friendly in terms of the interface itself, designed really with users in mind. It's available on both desktop browsers, mobile devices, iOS and Android. The interface very intuitive and accessible as well. And it's one of those platforms where you don't necessarily need to have a KYC to get started, which is a plus for a lot of users. So let's just dive right into how to trade on Tapbit. To get started, make sure you sign up with the link down below, right? So you can claim these wonderful bonuses. You can enjoy deposit bonuses. You can simply, if you want to start small, deposit a minimum of $100 and get a $50 bonus. You have to just transfer your deposit into the perpetual wallet, okay? So you can do margin trading. Once you have funds in your perpetual wallet, you can start working towards your volume targets, and you can earn up to $5,050 in bonuses as a new user, which is incredible. So make sure you sign with the link down below and get started. The trading bonuses are actually distributed on a weekly basis, and the bonus rules are pretty simple. So, you know, this bonus can be used for trading losses and copy trading, right? But it cannot be used for trading and funding fees. It must be used before the expiration date. So make sure you do that as soon as possible. Otherwise, it becomes invalid. It can also be directly used as the opening margin for USDT contracts, and the bonus will be used first, right? So any profits that are made from the trades can also be withdrawn, but the trading bonus cannot be withdrawn, and any transfer of the derivatives out of that derivatives account will cause that unused trading bonus to also become invalid. So just make sure you go to Open USDT Perpetual Trading, read the terms and conditions, confirm, choose the mode that you want to trade on in terms of margin. You can use isolated or cross, choose the amount of leverage and the actual position size, whether you want a limit order or market order. You can open a long or short position and you're good to go pretty much. So get started. The link is down below. But when it comes to trading fees, I know a lot of you really want to know which platforms to use based on trading fees, and Tapbit itself is very competitive. Spot fees are set at a low of 0.1 for both makers and takers, while futures funding kind of trading fees are even more attractive. Makers paying thereabouts in the region of 0.02% and takers 0.06%. In the absence, obviously, of deposit off and withdrawal fees is something that also kind of just makes it more appealing. And yeah, obviously there will be blockchain fees for different networks, but obviously leverage and trading options are very good on this platform. It offers you up to 150 for futures trading, provides significant opportunities for margin trading strategies as well, which is what I like. This high leverage kind of coupled with low spreads starting from 0.02% kind of makes Tapbit quite attractive as an option for traders who are looking to maximize their gains also just understanding the high leverage risk that's involved. But if you are someone who just wants some passive income opportunities, this is also a very good platform for that. You know, in addition to active trading, you can get options for generating some passive income through their earn and copy trading services. The earn service allows users to pretty much lock their assets and earn interest there, with rates reaching up to 30% per annum for selected assets. The copy trading feature itself actually connects users with experienced traders as well, enabling them to pretty much replicate successful strategies there. In combining the services just enhances Tapbit's versatility, catering to users who are seeking both active and investment income. So a great platform overall when it comes to the security, which is top of mind for a lot of you guys. In compliance, very paramount in the crypto space. As you know, they take security seriously and they employ encryption techniques that are very advanced, multi-signature authentication. They have a $40 million insurance fund also to protect users' assets, and they hold licenses from regulatory bodies, including the National Futures Association and the Financial Services Authority of St. Vincent and Grenadines, right? So these are just measures that, you know, you have to look into if you want to make sure that you're trading on reliable platforms. But in conclusion, I would say it's a very promising cryptocurrency exchange. It's been around for a long time. If you look at their roadmap, these guys have been building, and it just seems like it's going to be up and up from here. I want you guys to go check it out for yourselves and tell me what you think in the comments, okay? They do have a comprehensive list of offerings, active trading opportunities, passive income options, you know, kind of really just great product and service. And I think you should go check it out. The link is down below. Let me know what your experience is. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Go and make sure you make your deposits. Send that money to your perpetuals account. Start trading and claim your bonuses before it expires. Peace and love. I'll see you in the next video.